This is Megan at Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the Kangaroo Kiwi storage center here. It is a great addition to your sewing room because not only can you have a great cabinet, but you can also have a great storage center too. One thing I love about this cabinet is it does come with a little ironing pad and a cutting mat. So you can set it up right next to your machine. When you're piecing and need to press those seams open or whatever you need to do, you can have this just right next to you instead of having to trek halfway across the room to the ironing board. It also has 4 drawers of storage. The top 2 are going to be for thread. The bottom 2 are going to be for your notions and things like that. This bottom drawer is a nice deep drawer, so you can really put some of those bigger things, whereas the second one, that's normally where I would probably put my scissors and things like that. It is a nice little piece of furniture. It doesn't have that very big of a footprint. And honestly, I think it is such a wonderful investment to add to your sewing room, especially with all your sewing furniture. Come check it out at one of our 4 Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum locations, and we'd love to show you.